Today we're going to be doing an AP Bio Unit 2 Cell Structure and Function Review. So, universal cell features. Every single cell on Earth, from bacteria on your sink to neurons in your brain, has 4 things minimum. A cell membrane keeping everything together, DNA for instructions, cytoplasm to hold it all, and ribosomes to build proteins. If a cell doesn't have these, it's not a cell. Prokaryotes versus eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are small, simple, no nucleus, DNA is free-floating, circular. So some examples are bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotes, they are larger and complex. They do have a nucleus, they have membrane-bound organelles, and they are plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Why cells stay? So small cells have a high surface to area to volume ratio. That means nutrients, oxygen, and waste moves quickly across the membrane. Big cells, the volume grows too fast, so diffusion gets slow and is bad for life. This is why organisms don't have one giant cell and they have 1 million small ones. Eukaryotes use membranes to create organelles so different reactions don't interfere. Some examples are lysosomes digesting junk, mitochondria making energy, or the ER folding and processing proteins. Mitochondria and chloroplasts used to be independent prokaryotes. A bigger cell engulfed them, which means they didn't digest them, and they became permanent roommates. So the evidence is they have their own DNA, the ribosomes, double membranes, and they replicate independently. So this will be on your FRQs. So the major organelles quick review. The nucleus is DNA storage and control center. Ribosomes build proteins. Rough ER folds and processes proteins. Smooth ER makes lipids, detoxifies. Golgi packages and ships proteins. Mitochondria ATP powerhouse. Chloroplast for photosynthesis, and a vacuole for storage. Plants have a big central vacuole. The membrane is the phospholipid bilayer. So the fluid mosaic model, so you can see right here, contains a flexible and full of proteins, carbs, and cholesterol. It's selectively permeable and stuff gets through easily and needs some help. So transporting across membranes, passive transport requires no energy. It's diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and osmosis. Facilitated diffusion uses channels, osmosis uses water. Active transport needs ATP, moves things from low to high concentration. Some examples are the sodium-potassium pump. So osmosis and water balance. Water always moves hypotonic to hypertonic, from low solid to high solid. Hypotonic means water enters, animal cells burst, and plants get turgid. Hypertonic means waters exit, cells shrink or wilt. Isotonic means balance, so water balance is equal to survival. So that's Unit 2. Go to sodabond.netlify.app for 100 MCQ practice questions. So here's 2. Here's a few practice questions you can do.